Good evening, this is Lincoln with Spectrum Inspections. I'm going to go ahead and clear the meter count. I am in the crawl space of 2760 now South Truckee Street. My point of entry is going to be this 3-inch PVC pipe here. And we're going to go ahead and turn on some lights here so we can see what we're doing. So we're going to go ahead and look at the sewer line. It's going to be video down, pictures back, so you'll hear me as the video goes to the point of city tap, and then I will come back with pictures. All right. So this white pipe is what they call PVC. Now we're doing a transition here. This is a black connection. Okay. Really looking good here. And remember, meters is about, okay, so we have a transition here from PVC to SDR35 at about 4 meters. Remember that 3 feet per meter, so we're looking at about 12, a little over 12 feet. SDR35 is slightly different than PVC. It is actually designed for underground burial. Okay, so what we have here is, you'll notice a little bit of water. That's called a low spot or a belly. And it's small enough, I'm not concerned about that small amount at all. I'm not seeing any solids accumulating, so we're pretty good. So we're starting to get a little build up here, you'll notice. So I am going to recommend having it jetted because of that. Oh, we got a little bit of a belly here at about 15 meters. Yeah. Okay, we've got a moderate belly there between 15 and 18 meters. We're still running through it. Okay, we've come up and out of that now. And if I'm not mistaken, that is going to be the city tap. And it is. So, all in all, you have PVC to change to SDR35. I'm not seeing any major issues. We do have a significant belly between 15 and 18 meters. I'm going to recommend to have the line jetted and cleaned, and evaluation because of the belly evaluation by a licensed plumber. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me at 720-203-6985, and I will take some pictures on the way back. Thank you.